This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Melanie Grinley. Calling all lake and boat lovers, this one is for you. This 1.35-acre homesite located in Tranquility community is one of the prime community for Carter's Lake. Enjoy the convenience, with Doll Mountain Rec area and boat ramp, camping, picnic and fishing spots at the prestigious Carter's Lake, Georgia's deepest reservoir lake, just minutes away. What's more, this gem is a mere 2-minute walk from the community park, offering private trails alongside a serene creek. Imagine relaxing in the neighborhood pavilion, and with all roads beautifully paved, well-maintained gated lots all in a private setting. Wildlife is abundant too, lake access with boat ramp. For more information, review the details below or contact Melanie Grinley at 70